If you want to transfer ownership of a Discord server to another person, don't worry. Discord allows server owners to hand over ownership to another member when needed. This can be useful if you are no longer managing the community, changing leadership roles, selling a business community in accordance with Discord's rules, moving responsibilities to another administrator, or simply taking a break from managing the server. The good news is that transferring server ownership on Discord is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to transfer Discord server ownership in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Discord and sign in to the account that currently owns the server. Only the actual server owner can transfer ownership, so make sure you are logged in to the correct account before continuing. Next, open the Discord server whose ownership you want to transfer. Once you are inside the server, click the server name near the top left corner of the screen to open the server menu. From the menu that appears, select Server Settings. This will open the server management page where you can control roles, permissions, moderation settings, and ownership options. Inside Server Settings, locate the Members section. Click on Members to view a complete list of people who are currently part of the server. Now find the member you want to make the new server owner. Before transferring ownership, make sure this person is someone you trust completely, because ownership gives full control over the server and all of its settings. When you locate the member, click the three-dot menu next to their username. A list of management options will appear. Look for the option labeled Transfer Ownership and click it. Discord may display a warning explaining that ownership transfer is a significant action and that the new owner will gain full administrative control over the server. Carefully review the information shown on the screen. If you are certain that you want to continue, confirm the transfer request. Discord may ask you to verify your decision by checking a confirmation box. If your Discord account has two-factor authentication enabled and the server requires additional security, you may also be asked to complete a verification step before the transfer can proceed. After confirming the transfer, ownership of the server will immediately move to the selected member. The new owner will gain full ownership privileges, while your account will remain in the server with whatever role and permissions are currently assigned. It is important to understand that once ownership is transferred, the new owner has complete control over the server. They can modify settings, manage roles, invite or remove members, change channels, and even transfer ownership again in the future. Before transferring ownership, consider discussing responsibilities with the new owner. Make sure they understand how the server operates and are prepared to manage the community appropriately. Another useful tip is creating administrator roles for trusted moderators before the ownership transition. This can help maintain smooth server management during the transition process. If you cannot see the transfer ownership option, verify that you are the current server owner. Administrators and moderators cannot transfer ownership unless they actually own the server. You should also make sure both Discord accounts remain active and accessible throughout the process. Using updated account security settings, including a verified email address and two-factor authentication, can help prevent complications. So, that's the easiest way to transfer Discord server ownership in 2026. The main steps are opening server settings, viewing the members list, selecting the desired member, choosing transfer ownership, completing any required verification, and confirming the transfer. Most server owners can complete the entire process within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, server management tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.